Hey guys, how's it going? Ghosty Rich here today, and today we are going to be giving Mika a bigger crate because when we go out or anything like that, sometimes we have to lock her up because she's still a little menacing puppy. So when I say a little menacing puppy, the problem is look how big she is when she emerges. So she's definitely too big for this crate. Isn't that right? Let's set up the new cage and show you the difference between that. This one we had her shipped in, so she used to be able to lie down on it probably 2 weeks ago, no problem. But now, she legit can't do pretty much anything in there. So what we bought her was this 48-inch double door because we know she's gonna get bigger, much bigger. She's at 6 months now and she's already huge. So let's show you how easy this thing is to put together. When you pull it out, it looks like this. You'll see which side's the bottom because of these rollers. So what you do is, we'll say we're gonna put it right here. I'm just gonna put it like that, apply it down. Now, you might try to go to open it and be like, why won't it open? There is a locking hook right here. And there's probably another locking hook right here. And this folds up and out. And this side will fold up and out. This comes out like this. One of these sides are going to come up. Oh, there's another couple blocks. I have to get inside. You'll notice that there's some hooks on it. And those are going to be the fun part. There you go. So, this will fold out. And you'll see these hooks on the side. When you see it, look at the hooks on the side and there's hooks on the top. You'll fold this down. So if you look here, see the hooks on the side? They hook into there, and then there's these hooks on the very top. So you sink it down and that's how they lock in. So it locks in like that and like that. So make this, see how they swerve? They weave. So you want to make sure that the top is weaved in. All right, so now we go to the last side, which you can do that because it's on rollers. Just still be careful if you're worried about your hardwood. I will pull that up. This will be the fun side because there's more hooks involved. Okay, now it's still just right up here, just like that. And then it's down like this. Hook. Hey babe. And then hook. And then center hook. So hook here, center hook. And there we go. And of course I opened it or put it on the way, which is opposite of what I needed to do. Alright. So you have your door right here, which is just a latch door. Let's see here. You have to lift it up. So the latch comes off and then it lifts up. So again, show you that. This is down like that and it locks it so they can't get out. You lift the latch and then you lift the door. It comes out like that. That's an extra piece over here. I guess this is a divider in case you want to split the cage into two. I'll have to take a quick look at it. It comes with flimsy plastic handles. This over here. Wow, Mika, look at that. Way bigger, eh? So let's put this off to the side and see if your dog bed fits. So we got our new dog bed just for this. Watch out. You look good in your new collar. And again, we got something that's also waterproof just in case she does accidentally go pee. But look how perfect of a fit that is. This Kong dog bed is like perfect fit. It fit like, I don't think it could get any better. That's awesome. And the other reason why is, let's say you're going out and you're like, I'm gonna be gone for 2 hours, wanna make sure she has water. But you can always put her water dish on this. And the material, you can even feel it'll actually hold water so it won't soak into it. Way easier to clean. Is that a little better? Hey, Leeks, do you like that better? Yeah? Looks like it. Look how much more room she has. One sec, babe. Just gonna do this for a sec. Yeah, actually that just goes down. That's perfect. And if you're really worried about them opening it, you could put something here, like a lock. I wouldn't lock it, only because let's say you have a house fire or something, and someone comes running in to save your dog. If you have a lock on here, how are they gonna get your dog out? Or even if it's a firefighter, then they've got to try and cut your lock or something. But look how much room she has in here. She can move, she can do whatever she wants to, and she looks pretty happy in it, considering she's in a kennel. I'm not going to say cage because it sounds too much like prison. Well, Mika, since you were, oh yeah, I'll have to take those tags off for you to eat them. Since you've been such a good help for this video, would you like a treat? There you go. Good girl. Anyways, thanks again for watching the video. This is definitely a good buy. I think we got it. Again, this is Canadian prices for the American people watching, but we got this for about 160 bucks on sale right now. So definitely cannot complain. I seen another one for about 250, and I know that some people are saying you can get them off of Alibaba and stuff for around 80 bucks, but you need to really watch out for one thing: rusting. Make sure you get something that maybe has a bit of a warranty, because the biggest problem with these ones is if you get one that rusts and your dog's like you don't want it to get tetanus, especially if they're chewing on the bars, because dogs love to do it. I know mine does. She loves to chew on whatever she can get her mouth around. She's like, any more? Do you like that? She's like, you're teasing me. Okay. Thanks again for watching. Press the like if it helped you out. Subscribe for more. And always be watching for Mika in my videos, because it doesn't matter what I'm filming, she might pop her head in. Ready? Treats from heaven.